How to make this cool transition with your phone? It's actually very simple, just one button. First open VideoAE and click Make Video. First import the video or picture to be made. Then move the pointer to the time position to be transitioned and then add the second video. Resize the video so it fills the screen. Move the pointer to the beginning of the second video and add a resource selection sticker. Here we have prepared a large number of transition materials in Show. You can choose transition materials according to your own preferences, and the materials will be continuously updated. For example, here I add a transition clip and make it as big as the screen. Then move the time needle to the end of the material. Deselect the layer, move it slightly to the right. Select the second video layer. Click the partition button in the tools in the lower left corner, and then select to be divided the first half of the video. Find the Make button at the bottom of the lower toolbar. Select the third effect, and you're done. Preview the effect. The transition effect here depends on your material. For example, if I replace it with others, it is very simple and fast to form. How are you? Have you learned?